أصحابه أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله ما بعد إن أصدق الحديث كتاب الله وخير الهدي هدي نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وشر الأمور محدثاتها وكل محدثة بدعة وكل بدعة ضلالة وكل ضلالة في النار. Welcome brothers and sisters. This is not a scheduled lecture, but I was reading a book and small book. Then I said I like to share what I have read with you. Inshallah, if you don't watch it now live, inshallah later you can watch it. This book from Dar es Salaam, what a Muslim should believe. Few questions, about 50 or exactly 54 questions about the faith and the belief. So, for example, or not for example, I will take maybe 10 questions, inshallah. Question number 1, for what Allah has created us. For what Allah has created us. The answer, Allah has created us so that we should worship Him alone and associate none as a partner with Him. And this is clear from the ayah, Surah Ad-Dariyat, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. And I created not the jinn and men except that they should worship me alone, subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said to Mu'adh, حَقُّ الْعِبَادِ عَلَى اللَّهِ حق الله على العباد أن يعبدوه ولا يشركوا به شيئا. Allah's claim on His slaves is that they should worship Him alone and associate none as partner with Him. So this is the first question, and the answer clear from the Quran and Sunnah. What is the wisdom of creating us? It is very clear and straightforward that to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. So this is the aim of us to be in this world.